This video guide demonstrates the installation of the Series RSMC StabiliSENSE Critical Room Status Monitor. First up is mounting and installation. Each RSMC includes a cardboard cutout template in the box. Remove it and tape it to the wall, ensuring that it's in a level orientation before tracing out the cutout pattern. Once you have the pattern traced, remove the cardboard cutout from the wall and begin cutting. A power drill could be used to start, and then a handsaw could be used to cut along the traced pattern. Once the wall cutout is complete, feed the wiring and tubing through the hole and into the included junction box. Next, with the wiring and tubing secured to the junction box, position its screw tabs upward and push it into the wall. Ensure that the junction box is flush against the wall before tightening the screw tabs to secure it. Now, connect the pressure tubing to the back of the RSMC device. Ensure that the pressure tubing is connected in the proper orientation to ensure proper readings. Next, connect the power input to the RSMC. Refer to the wiring diagram for proper terminal locations. Additionally, any analog input sensor or digital input for a door switch can be wired into the back of the RSMC at this time as well. Once you are completed wiring in all of the input devices as well as power and connecting the pressure tubing to the back of the RSMC device, you could slide the cabling down through the junction box and snap the RSMC into the junction box flush into the wall. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you for watching.